Hey everybody, Crystal with Crystal Clear College Planning. I wanted to say hi again. And also, one of the big concerns that I know that often families will have is Crystal's probably going to cost us a lot of money. Everybody always thinks that our services are going to be outrageously expensive, and that is not necessarily the case. We're very transparent. The information is all in our free community, so you're more than welcome to look at it. But we have things that can support you for as low as a couple $100s. And at the most, it's going to cost you 1 month of college for all of our services in terms of helping you through the entire process and what we call our concierge college planning. So we are always here to make sure that things work for you and that it can be, whatever support you need, we can meet you at. So we do work through every piece of this process. And if you just need help with test prep or you are more focused on college selection, it is all there for you. We also are making sure that if people need to break that up into payments, that is something that we can do in order to make it affordable. So I always just want to put you at ease that the support is there. And the first step for us is always just making sure that we get together for a consultation to see where we can even help you in this process. So make sure to click the link below in order to find a time for us to get together, fill out the data sheet, send it back over to me, and then we will see you via Zoom at a meeting soon.